As abreviações em inglês que você precisa saber. Vamos lá. Rolling on the floor laughing. Rolling on the floor laughing. Laughing out loud. Laughing out loud. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my days. Oh my days. What the hell? What the hell? For fuck's sake. For fuck's sake. You. Why? Kiss, XX. Laughing my ass off. Laughing my ass off. Laughing my fucking ass off. Laughing my fucking ass off. Let me know. Let me know. I love you. I love you. You only live once. You only live once. Shaking my head. Shaking my head. Never mind. Never mind. I know, right? I know, right? Of course. Of course. Say no more. Say no more. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. To be honest. To be honest. To be fair. To be fair. What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you doing? What are you doing? In my opinion. In my opinion. In real life. In real life. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. What do you mean? What do you mean? Don't worry. Don't worry. I don't care. I don't care. I don't know. I don't know. I don't mind. I don't mind. Soz. Sorry. Soz. Sorry. Be right back. Be right back. Thank you. Thank you. Too much information. Too much information. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. At the moment. At the moment. Etc. Etc. Example. Example. Personal identity number. Personal identity number. That is. That is. By the way. By the way. For your information. For your information. Versus. Versus. Estimated time of arrival. Estimated time of arrival. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Retweet. Retweet. Direct message. Direct message. Sus. Suspicious. Sus. Suspicious. Got to go. Got to go. See ya. See ya. Barbecue. Barbecue. Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Throwback Thursday. Throwback Thursday. Away from keyboard. AFK. Away from keyboard. AFK. Works for me. Works for me. Friends with benefits. Friends with benefits. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Can't be bothered. Can't be bothered. Can't be asked. Can't be asked. Good luck. Good luck. Good game. Good game. Because Because fuck, for real, what about you? What about you? Obrigado por assistir este vídeo, até o próximo, tchau, tchau.